Alright, here we go. I got this little $12 solar powered water fountain there from Amazon. Fruit bowl dish, $4 around the corner at the thrift shop. And I got a nice little pump going on there, a little pump action, 18 inches up in the air with a nice bubbler action. I know it's not a mist, which is what the hummingbirds like. But still, you would think on a hot day like today, they would come in for this. And they're not. Hummingbirds come into the garden for the hummingbird flowers here and here, as you can see. They love this stuff. But they don't like the fountain. And I'm not sure why. You guys on YouTube, if you happen to know, let me know. Let me know what you think, what I could do. Okay.